Hi, I'm Gabby Shaw.
And I'm Faith Fernandez.
And today we're going to be talking a little bit about Patriot High School's field hockey team and just Patriot in general.
Patriot has an advanced coaching and supporting community. Coaches motivate and understand each player's strengths and weaknesses, which creates good overall players.
We play volleyball because it brings us closer to one another and makes us a better all-around person. It is a team sport, so you get to be a part of a good community.
Personally, what I like best about our field hockey team is that we're such a tight-knit community. JV and varsity, we do everything together. And that's all because of our coach, Coach Ortiz, who makes it possible.
Our coach implements a bunch of team bonding, such as the Falcon Lock-In, where we sleep over at the school, going to college field hockey games, and going to ropes courses.
Faith, what makes Patriot so special for you?
As well as the exceptional athletics, we have also amazing academics.
So be sure to try out for Patriot field hockey team. August 5th is the date to try out. Hope to see you there.
Jackson, why do you play football?
We play football because it teaches us discipline. It's a great place for us to showcase our skills, and it teaches us to be better men. CK, what makes Patriot football so special?
The coaches, they really set you up for your next level in life, and I love the team. We're just so connected. They're like a big family.
Why do you like Patriot golf so much?
I think it's just fun. The coaches are great. As soon as you get there, they take you in. They really try to help you out, help you hone in some of your golf skills. Even if you're brand new to the sport, you've never played before, they've got coaches who can help you out, teach you the basics, and then you'll take off from there. What makes you come back? Why do you find it special?
Honestly, all the team bonding that we do together, we always go out and eat either before or after we have tournaments or playoffs or anything. So we'll go out usually before our first tournament, go to IHOP or some breakfast place before we play.
The tryout dates for fall sports are as follows. Golf is July 29th. Football and cheer is August 1st. Volleyball, field hockey, and cross country are on August 5th. The requirements for each tryout, you need your concussion training, a blue form, and a physical, and the students shall pass at the end of the semester with at least 5 credits with a minimum of 2 C's and 3 D's.